Mike Hughes here. I'm at REEFSMARTGUIDES.com, and I'm here with Ian. And Ian, you've got a lot to talk about, don't you?
We have got a lot to talk about. Yeah, we're here. We're launching a few new guidebooks. We started doing this work 6 years ago, starting in basic mapping work in Bonaire, actually.
So if they look at the basic mapping work here, you can see some of the models in the videos. Of course, when I go here, they've changed screens. So we'll just look at the map down below you.
Yeah, sure.
And so you can see they do 3D mapping of the boats, the wrecks, 3D mapping of the reefs.
Exactly. So a lot of the cards that we produce originally are up on the carousel there.
Right. And I'll look at these real quick. You can see some of the different maps, but it's not just reefs and maps, it's also animal life as well.
Yeah, we have species cards as well. And once we've visited a location and mapped as many of the dive sites as necessary, we can produce a guidebook which basically puts all of these maps together into a single volume that allows people to explore that as an island. So our Bonaire book is really popular because it contains every single dive site in Bonaire.
And if you look at it, it's all 3D graphic pictures. Yep. It's all from the old, what was it, line drawings before.
Yeah,
now
exactly.
It's pinpointed 3D.
Now it's 3D. Now it's 3D maps.
Cool.
And the step we have beyond that now is that the 3D maps, as we used to produce them into cards and books, and shoreline signage and briefing charts, we can now take those 3D models and put them online and embed them into our partners' websites. And that really, really helps with engagement. So when you have people deciding where they're going to take their next vacation, they do it virtually always these days, 90% of the time online. So they go online, they take a look at websites, and 2D images, no matter how amazing they are, will only get you so far. But a 3D model really helps with that engagement, and it takes people from looking at 2D images to exploring a model to saying like, wow, I want to go, I can picture myself there, I can visualize myself being there, I want to go and explore this wreck or this dive site, and they make that booking. So it really helps with the sales.
So, and also they can go online, and the one you've got so far that you just did for the hotel resort?
So Anthony's Keys Resort, we were down there in the summer when we put together the resort services package for them. So they have some of the Rec 3D models embedded on their website now. We also did a 360 virtual tour of their resort. Now 360 tours have been around for a while, people have done that, they can move between rooms and different areas of the hotel. Our 3D virtual tour, 360 virtual tours allow us to move into the air above the resort and explore it from above, but also move beneath the surface and explore dive sites, almost like Google Street View, as you move around taking a look. So it's almost like you're doing that dive. You can look at it from every perceivable angle, but also you can click on hotspots within the images and access information about some of the species that you see. So it takes it from a virtual tour to being almost an educational experience as well.
So you're accumulating all the wrecks and the reefs.
That's right.
And then now you're starting to accumulate the books. And then from the books, you're going to start accumulating 3D designs for all the hotels and resorts.
Working with the resorts, that's what we really want to do, and try and get some of these tools into their hands so that we can help with their engagement and attracting more visitors to those resorts.
Cool. And then if they want more information, they go to REEFSMARTGUIDES.com.
REEFSMARTGUIDES.com. You can reach out to us through there, and we'll be happy to talk to you.
Thank you, Ian.
Thanks so much.